Okay, so this is my party organizer spreadsheet here. Yeah, so I can use this spreadsheet for organizing all the different parties I wish to have. So I'm just going to call this sheet here. This will be my Halloween one. Okay, yeah, and I might give that a different color. And in here I might have my Christmas one. And so on. So yeah, so these are my cells of interest here. So I'm just going to zoom in so you can see them a bit better there now. This is where I'll be working. I'm going to highlight my cells right to my borders. Fill them all in like that. Okay. Now, I'm also going to merge these cells here and make it look a little bit better. So format, merge cells, merge them all. So all of these cells here are now a merged cell from C4 to G4. And I'm going to type in here and I'm going to justify it into the center, and I want that to be a nice party color there. Or because Halloween, we'll go with the orange. Okay. Now, so I've bolded the main items here that I need to look at, like items and cost. Budget. My budget is 500, okay, for this party. Now remember, all of my numbers and letters, they're all in separate cells, okay? So we can multiply and subtract numbers and do sums if they're alone as numbers in a cell, all right? So we don't want to put numbers and writing together. And okay, so I just guessed up a few numbers here, roughly for a party. All right, so quite a lot of people going to this party. It's kind of like a class party. Now I want to see my expenditure here. What's my total expenditure? So I'm going to highlight these cells here like this. And then I go up to my functions up here and just go sum. Sum is, we'll add them up. So there's my formula, equals to sum of the cells within these brackets, D6 then to D11. Press enter, and here's my expenditure now. So I spent 482 of my 500 euro. Okay, let's get rid of that there now. All right, so okay, so I want to see how much I have left over. Okay, so once I know what's left over, I might be able to add to my items here. So in this cell here, we're going to use the formula. So we type in equals. I'm going to create a formula. So I'm going to put in a brackets. So I'm saying equals to brackets. This cell here, which is cell G6. So whatever's in cell G6 minus whatever is in cell D12. Close my brackets, okay? So you can see the equals to is going to generate this formula and give us our answer. And press enter. And I have 18 left over. Okay, so yeah, I got 18 left over. Maybe I can more balloons, and we can see that we have now got 13 left over. And fireworks, I'll get a few more fireworks. We've got €3 left over. And Asher will splash out in a few more decorations. There we go. I've now spent 500. My budget was 500. I've got nothing left over. Maxed out all my money for the party. And maybe, possibly, it's a party where you're going to charge people in. I don't know. Well, if it was, okay, we can now work out how much each person pays All right, so we break even at the end of the day if we all chip in for all the party supplies. Okay, so for that there, we would use this formula. Equals to, open the brackets, this cell here, all right, our budget, or our total expenditure even, okay? Let's just say we underspent or overspent. So that cell there, divided by / the number of people going to the party, which is 23, okay? Close brackets and enter. There we go. And each person pays 21.73 euros. All right. Now, let's just say an extra person was coming to the party. All right. So another person added to the party. Press enter, and now we pay 20 euros. Okay. So the more people, the less we pay. Yeah. So that's a basic spreadsheet for organizing a party. Now, yeah, we don't have any currency symbols in here, so we might do that. So within these cells here, all right, so we'll just highlight these. Sorry, we'll do the whole thing. It doesn't matter. Wherever there's going to be a number in here will be a currency. Okay, so we're going to go format, number, and currency. So our currency is down here as dollars. Oh yeah. So if we go down here a bit further, we have euros down here. Okay, and if that's not on yours, I'm sure. Yeah, you can add it here by going more formats and more currencies. Okay, so we might do that actually. So let's say my euro sign wasn't there. I can go in more currencies and I can search for it here. And it's here at the top for me anyway. So there's euro. I'm going to click on it and apply it. And there we go. Now everything is euros. Okay, and it's starting to look nice now. Yes, I'm going to give it all a background color. So highlight your cells. Give it a light color to contrast the black so we can see the numbers nicely. And you can highlight whatever cells you think are the most important. I think that's very important, how much people pay and our total expenditure. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to hold control now. So select those two cells. I think they're important, and per head. There we go. Okay, so there's your Halloween party spreadsheet. Now I have this little picture here I brought in. Okay, and to do that, I just went insert, image, and I wanted the image to be over the cells. And I brought it in just by searching Google image search. Okay, and over the cells means I can put it wherever I like. It's not going to affect anything, so we'll just leave it there. Okay, so that's the party spreadsheet.